Okay.
This road is floating away! The sky obeys my command! Then tell it to stop chasing me! Your badge means nothing up here! Stay off my cargo box! Why won't my tongue stop moving? Because this kingdom has awakened your true mouth. I need to get out of here now! Then scream and run faster! Stay away from my container! Why is my tongue doing that? Because this freezer has claimed you! I'm getting out before I melt! Then run straight into dessert doom! Stay away from my roof! I'm getting out of this nightmare now! Because this stage has turned you into a monster! Stay away from my crane! Run faster, little wrecking toy! Slimelight! This slime is covering my bumper! Get off my roof! Run faster, little dancer!
Rockets love this crazy road! Hee-hee! Don't leave without the sauce! Zoom, zoom! Catch my spicy turbo! Woohoo! Wait for me, giggly car! Ha-ha! Jump up, little shaft! Woohoo! Fun Me World! Hey, wait for me! Jump on! This smells amazing! Hold on tight!
It's right behind me! Faster! I need more speed! I've got you now! Get off my roof!
to Noodle Speed City! Hee-hee! You funny car, wait for me! Ha! Catch me if your noodle shoes can! Woohoo!
Because this maze has chosen you as I'm breaking out right now. Then race harder into your cage. Stay away from my roof. Why is my tongue dripping all over the road? Because this kiln has turned you into a curse. I'm getting out before I'm baked alive. Then drive faster into the furnace maze. Stay away from my... Tongue is dragging through the salt! The desert is tasting your fear! I'm not staying for your sandstorm! Then race before the sky breaks! Keep your thorns off my roof! Tongue is dripping all over the swamp. This mud is pulling at my wheels. The root's already trapped your road. Run faster, little Trog is hungry. Get off my hood. Stay away from my dump bed.